Good evening everyone and welcome back to a new video. So today in this video I will be doing a particular challenge on the Step Set Go application. So the name of the challenge is October Peace or something like that. That was the name. So as you can see on the screen right now, so I have done this much amount of steps. I have taken this much amount of steps till now, and there is another challenge going side by side. So it is known as Alu Pitika in Assam. So I have also done this much amount of steps in this Alu Pitika challenge. So let's complete this Alu Pitika challenge today by going up to the top of the hill. So as you can see, the flag is up today. So I will be going to that area by walking. So there is a certain rule in Step Set Go is that you cannot run or you cannot ride bicycle or any two-wheeler objects. So all you have to do is keep walking. So I will be doing the same and I will reach to the top, and right now it's around 4:30 p.m. So let's reach the base of the hill. Alright, so this is the base of the Gandhi Mandap. So that's the flag up there, as you can see. So it's all the uphill from here. So let's keep going and I will show you different checkpoints of this route towards the flag. Alright, so let's keep going, and I'm climbing uphill right now. So there's almost 1 mile left, so let's keep going. Alright, checkpoint number 1. Here's the banner showing Gandhi Mandap 1500 meters ahead. So it looks like this from here, the whole Guwahati city. Alright, so I'm here at a viewpoint right now. So from here I can see the whole city, as you can see. So the scenery from right here is very blissful and looks very beautiful to just watch from this position. So as you can see in this video, so the position point that I'm right now, viewpoint, is this. So there's a turning arrow right here and goes a house on this downhill. Right, so here's another checkpoint, which is a temple right here, but it's so dark right now so you can't visibly see it. So that's the checkpoint. So moving further ahead, it's all uphill steep and hairpins all over the place. So right now I have crossed the temple, so let's keep going further. Alright, so it's signboard number 3 saying Gandhi Mandap 500 meters ahead. So in between the 1000 meter I have skipped that signboard, so let's keep going further. Alright, so I finally reached the top. As you can see, the flag is up there, and I was still not able to complete the whole Alu Pitika challenge by climbing up. So let's see how much I can complete by going down. So alright, so as you can see in my back here, the flag is up there, as you can see here. So by looking the flag closely, it's really big flag, but from far away it does not look that big. So cheers, I have reached the top by walking from my home towards this place. So it took me around 45 minutes exactly, to be precise, to reach this position. So let's move a little further ahead and see what else is there. Alright, so this place is exactly called as Gandhi Udyan, as written in this signboard, and on this signboard right here it's written as Gandhi Mandap. So here's things, so I'm not going to read this. So timing is up here, as you can see, and also the gate is closed right now, so no entry inside. But here's another look towards the flag. So that's the flag, and also there's a big statue of Mahatma Gandhi inside, which I will show you in a photo which I have clicked a few months ago. So there is a Kali Mandir temple here, as you can see. It's written in the signboard, Gandhi Mandir Prachin Kali Mandir. So that's it. So alright everyone, so that's it for this quick video. So I will head downwards right now and see how many calories I can finally burn in total. So when I reached my home, so I will share that screenshot of the Step Set Go app on this screen right here. So let's go back. Alright, so right now it's 5:55 p.m. and I have finally reached home. So it took me around 40 minutes to come downhill and reach my home finally. So that's for this, and also I have finally completed the Aloo Pitika challenge, so that's also a good thing. Also it was really difficult for me to climb uphill first, but it's all the mind games up here. So if you are determined and you do not give up, then you will be able to complete it without any hesitation. So that's a plus point. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and follow me on Step Set Go if you are in that particular app. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I will see you in another video. So thumbs up.